In this video, how to fix an error when installing Windows 10 or 11. Before you begin, make sure you've backed up all data on the disk, as the next step involves cleaning the disk. Press the Shift and F10 keys, or FN plus Shift plus F10 if you're using a laptop keyboard, to open the Windows command prompt. Use the Alt and Tab keys to switch to the command prompt window. In the command prompt, type diskpart to launch the diskpart tool. Get the list of disks connected to your computer. Select the disk by its number. You can identify the disk by its size. Please be careful when selecting the disk, as choosing the wrong one will result in data loss. Next, type clean and press enter to clean the selected disk. Close the command prompt window and continue the installation process. Refresh the list of disks. As you can see, the error is resolved, and Windows should now install successfully on the disk. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.